Hey everyone, Leo with Dreaming Tree, and welcome to the assembly video for our graduation money gift card envelope. So this is kind of a dual purpose sort of design. You can include a gift card and money, or just one or the other. Doesn't really matter. So what we're going to do, this is the main structure here. You've got two tabs on the side here. What we're going to do is apply glue to those two tabs. Okay, so go ahead and nice and easily apply some glue. I'm going to do it to both sides first. We're going to spread that glue out to the very edge of each of the tabs just to keep them nice and crisp and clean, like so. Okay, and then take this part on the bottom here with the little square cut out of it, or the diamond shape. Move those tabs in a little bit. They might be kind of fighting with you. And just press that down into place. Okay, and that's going to hold this in place. So this is the little pocket where you're going to put your money. Now also you'll notice that your machine cut these two little slits here. They might be kind of hard to see on camera. There it is right there. There's one here and one here, and that will actually hold the gift card too. So you can put the gift card here, and then you have a pocket for a note or whatever it is you want to add to it, or you could do both. It's pretty cool that you can do both with it. So next we're going to go over to the face of the card. And you notice that on this piece, this is a gold foil. I ran this through my embossing machine, and we're literally just going to glue this down, and we're going to find the little hole that we have there. That hole actually is there for a brad, because what we're going to do is make a mortar cap and put it on there with a little brad in the center that's going to hold a tassel in place, just to give this a little extra pizzazz, I guess you could say. But go ahead and flip this part over and apply your glue to the back, and we'll get this glued down. Now obviously your point of reference here and what you're going to be looking at to help you with the placement of this is the actual hole right here. Okay, so just kind of peek through that hole. If it helps to kind of lift it up so you can get some light shining through there, definitely do that. Just make sure you match up that hole. This gold piece that I'm working with right now should be flush with the top, okay, the top of the card here. Okay, so just make sure that you've got that in place. And there we go. Okay, perfect. Now on this piece here, you'll notice that there are a series of little markers, and that is to help you with the positioning of the rest of the elements. Now we've included this piece here, and in the final photo that you see on the website, we have the word congrats on here. We did that with a print and cut. You can do that however you want. I recently did a video showing you how to use single line fonts in Design Space to actually write messages out with your pen. So you can do that, or you can do print to cut, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so just get that piece on there like so. And again, you'll see a little marker here. And I think there's probably one here, but the embossing maybe made it kind of disappear. But I'm going to line that up there like so. Okay, you could glue that down. You can also use some foam squares or some pop dots to give that a little bit of dimension. So that's always an option. Pop that into place there like so. Okay, and then finally, we're just going to put our little mortar board down. Okay, so let's take this part of our mortar cap, throw a little bit of glue on it, again, if you want to add some more dimension to this. And actually, you know what, now that I say that, I'm not so sure that you want to do that, because we are going to be using the brad. Okay, and you want to angle it like this so that it's just barely away from the very top edge. Okay, and then we'll take this part here, and since we have that in place, you can see where the other part of this is going to go, just like that. Okay, so the center of it, where it kind of dips and changes angles, just match that up with the center of the top part of the cap. Press that down into place, and there you see how beautiful that is. And then finally, you can take and put your little tassel around. I'm using a red brad, since that kind of matches this color, but you could absolutely use their school color for the red. Instead of the red, you can use a purple or a blue or whatever the color is, and then of course just kind of pop that into place with a tassel, And this, what I would do actually with this is I would trim this a little bit and tie it off so that it's not hanging as low. Probably want to keep it right about there. So that's pretty much it. So again, nice print to cut element here. Got a pocket for money, slots for a gift card. Customize it using their school colors and you are good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment and visit us on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, hit that little bell so you get notifications anytime we release a new product, whether it be paid or free. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you again. Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos. And also, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section where we have over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly videos. I look forward to crafting with you soon.